All right, so I've been seeing a lot of interest in people wanting to get into sourcing their own deals, aka wholesaling real estate, and become real estate entrepreneurs. The problem is those same people get discouraged really quickly because this is a numbers game. This is a numbers business where you have to talk to a lot of people in order to get, your desired outcome, which would be a contract and a closing, which would mean you get paid. All right. Some people talk to 5, 10 people, and just because those people didn't want to sell or those people were not interested in talking to them, they get discouraged and they quit. Well, I got news for you, my friend. Wholesaling real estate is a numbers game. What I'm going to show y'all right now is actual numbers from one marketing channels, and that's cold calling. And keep in consideration, guys, that 50% of our deals actually make it to the closing table. Today is all about the numbers. Watch this. Okay, so these are the numbers for our cold calling marketing, all right? So these are the metrics, or also known as the KPIs, key performance indicators, all right? So I have 3 cold callers. Combined, they make about 145,000 dials per week, okay? And a dial is just them calling a phone number. A lot of these get filtered down because they may be the wrong number, or the lines may never disconnect. These people may never pick up. There's a couple reasons these get filtered down, all right? So from that 145,000 dials per week, we get 1,400 contacts. A contact is just someone picking up the phone, all right? So these people could be saying, you have the wrong number, I'm not interested in selling, never call me back. Whatever the situation is, we get 1,400 actual contacts from 145,000 dials, all right? That means about every 104 calls equals 1 contact. So you have to make 104 calls just to speak to one person, all right? From that 1,400 contacts, we get about 34 leads, all right? Only 34 leads. A lead is somebody who's actually interested in selling and potentially fits our criteria, all right? So that means every 44 actual contacts equals only 1 lead. And the lead does not even guarantee that the deal is going to work for you. These are just people who may fit your criteria. And that's from the cold caller. So when they generate those leads, they pass them down to my lead manager, and my lead manager filters them again, all right? Out of those 34 leads, only 8 of those will actually turn into set appointments. This means my lead manager talked to them. He qualified that they are potential good deals for us, and he set appointments for me to call them and give them an actual offer and see if we can work together, all right? From the 8 appointments that he set, I'm only going to attend maybe 6 of those, all right? Because I'm going to refilter them, and only 6 of those 8 might actually be worth my calling after I go through and filter them, all right? So from the 6 appointments I attend, I'm probably going to make only 4 offers. 2 of those people just might not be ready yet, so they didn't want to make an offer, or they're just trying to get an offer. They're not even ready to sell yet, so I don't waste my time. So out of those 6 appointments I attended, I'm going to make 4 offers. Out of that, I should get 1 contract, guys, per week. But then, again, this is just from our cold calling. This does not count the numbers from our radio marketing or our text marketing, where we get additional contracts per week, which is how we're able to leverage the fact that only 50% of our deals close, all right? So that's just some small numbers for y'all to look at and say, damn, you really got to be calling a lot of people just to get 1 contract.